Briefly about what the meme of the day assignments are. These will be the replacement to traditional lectures for this online class. Each meme of the day assignment has 5 pieces. And so as you look through, those have been laid out in a fun little point breakdown table here. But your first step is this low stakes post a meme about how you're feeling. It's meant to be kind of a form of academic social media. So post a meme, go find one or create one, or post an image or a GIF or something that ties to how you're feeling or something on your mind. Make sure and embed the image and not just attach it. I'll walk through that at the end of the video. And then after that, you want to do a brief reflection. So you'll write a little bit about why this thing, this meme, this GIF, this image is meaningful to you right now. And then you're going to respond to 2 classmates' memes and give them, so just in a couple sentences, give them a brief 2-sentence response, 3-sentence response at least. You can always do more, but that's how you get the points for that. And then finally, for the first 10 days here, according to this one, the first 10 days are going to be, the part 5 is worth 10 points. And so this will be required reading and responses to all videos and whatnot. So when we look, each of the meme of the days have a part 5 instruction connected to them. And so those points are for doing that section. That's what the actual writing content of the course will be, is in that part 5. But each day you'll come in, you'll post a meme, you'll write a brief reflection, you'll respond to 2 peers, and then you'll dig into the writing content and kind of get warmed up that way. If you're wondering, how do I go about embedding an image and not attaching it? One, you could attach things here, but as I said, don't do that in this case. What we want you doing is, when you go to find an image, you can upload an image like this. If you have it downloaded to your computer, you can put it in there. Or if you've gone on Google or you've gotten a link from a meme generator, that's usually the easiest way, and you can just paste the file URL in right there. So you want to make sure that it's that you embed it. You can call it a decorative image, but that's more for special reading technologies and whatnot. But you would paste your URL in, and then the image would come up. You can find memes fairly easily. One thing to consider is that if I go and I'm trying to say like meme about squirrels, because I saw one this morning. I didn't, where I'm in Phoenix, so you don't see actual squirrels. If you're in here and you're looking at images on Google, if you go and you try and right click here, you actually won't get a good link for an image. You have to drill down into the image and go over here. If you right click and say copy image address, so don't copy the link address, don't copy the image, copy the image address. Then you'll be able to take that back over to your discussion. You will be able to go under the upload link like I showed you a moment ago, paste in the file URL, and that should bring your image in. You can resize your image if it's like that's huge and I don't need it that big, and then you just can write your reflection underneath in your couple sentences. And that can be your first post. And then you can go through, so you get that out of the way, and you go through, you post that, then you go and respond and start digging in, and you can do a series of replies to your own post, or you can just keep replying to the main discussion for that day with the different pieces of writing content, which you will see. There are often a post, a watch, a read, and you'll just work through that. The first day's a little heavier, it happens, but that's how these meme discussions work. At the end of the semester, you'll pull your 10, I believe it's 10 favorites into one large calendar. So you'll pick your 10 favorite memes from these assignments throughout the course, and you'll do a special project where you draw them all together. With that is the basics of the meme of the day assignments. They are the equivalent substitution for the lecture, so the key required part of the class, and also the main way that you're going to learn. You're going to get the content about writing, and often special tips along the way to help you with the projects. They're sequenced to line up with the projects and support what you are supposed to be doing with the project. So if you're doing a project and you're not sure how it's supposed to be working, sometimes it helps to look at the meme discussions around it leading up to it, because sometimes those are meant to equip you. Those are often meant to equip you to accomplish the project. Have fun.